this video, I'm going to show you how to separate leads and clients in Gmail. This method automatically categorizes emails from your contacts so you never have to manually sort them again. Let's get started. What this extension does. The Auto Label for Gmail extension by CloudHQ automatically organizes your emails into labels like clients, leads, prospects, opportunities, team, and suppliers. It works by analyzing the email address or domain of the person you're emailing with. Once you assign a label to a contact, every future email from that person will automatically get that label. It also organizes your entire history of past emails with that contact. Step 1. Install the extension. Open your Chrome browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Auto Label for Gmail or CloudHQ Auto Label. Look for the extension by CloudHQ. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. The installation takes just a few seconds. Step 2. Pin the extension. After installation, look at the top right corner of your browser next to the address bar. You'll see a small envelope icon for the extension. Click the puzzle piece icon, find Auto Label for Gmail, and click the Pin icon. This makes the extension easy to access. Step 3. Use the Compose method to label a contact. Now comes the important part. The extension works best when you use it while composing a new email. Here's how to do it. First, click the Compose button in Gmail. A new message window will open. Next, enter your recipient's email address in the To field. You don't need to write a subject or message, just the email address is enough. Then, click the Auto Label icon in your browser toolbar. That's it. The extension will now automatically apply that label to every existing and future email from this contact. You can close the Compose window. You don't need to send the email. Step 4. Label your existing contacts. To label leads and clients you're already communicating with, simply repeat the Compose method. Open a new Compose window, type their email address in the To field, click the Auto Label icon, and select the label. You don't need to send the email. Close the window and move to the next contact. Step 5. Let the extension work. Once you select a label, the extension automatically creates a Gmail filter and applies the label to every existing and future email from that contact. No further action needed. That is it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.